As the first frost approaches and temperatures start to dip, many gardeners begin to worry about their beloved pepper plants surviving the cold. Most gardeners simply pull up their pepper plants at the end of the season and toss them onto the compost pile, thinking their time is up. But what if you could get a huge head start next season by keeping your mature plants alive, instead of starting from seed all over again? Peppers are actually tender perennials, which means that with a little care, they can live for several years and keep producing fruit. By overwintering your pepper plants indoors, you'll start spring with a strong, mature plant that's ready to grow faster and produce earlier, bigger harvests than ever before. Let's take a look at the top 10 pepper varieties that are especially good at surviving the winter and bouncing back even stronger next year. First up, the classic California Wonder Bell pepper. Its thick, woody stem stores energy, making it perfect for overwintering. Prune it hard, keep it in a cool, bright spot, and water sparingly. In spring, it bursts back to life, outpacing any seed-started plant. You'll be harvesting sweet bells while others are just getting started. The YOLO Wonder is a disease-resistant bell pepper, bred for toughness. It handles the stress of overwintering with ease, making it great for beginners. Come spring, it's quick to establish and delivers an early, reliable harvest. Shishito peppers are compact and thrive in containers, making overwintering simple. Just bring the pot inside prune and let it rest in a cool, bright spot. In spring, it rebounds fast, giving you early, prolific harvests. Jalapeno M and early jalapeno are tough, vigorous, and bounce back quickly after a hard prune. Their strong roots fuel rapid regrowth, so you'll have a bushy, productive plant in no time. For first-time overwinterers, jalapenos are nearly foolproof. Poblanos are slow to start from seed, but patience pays off. Once established, they thrive in their second year, producing far more peppers. Overwinter your plant indoors to skip the slow first season and get a head start. For bigger harvests and perfect chiles rellenos, overwintering is the secret. Thai chilies are natural perennials, often living for years in warm climates. Their woody stems and resilience make them ideal for overwintering. Even after several years, they keep producing massive quantities of fiery peppers. If you love heat, Thai chili is a must-try for your winter project. Habaneros love heat and can be slow to fruit, so overwintering gives them a huge boost. They need a warmer indoor spot, above 50 degrees Fahrenheit, to survive winter. In spring, they explode with growth and set fruit much earlier. The result? Monster harvests of fiery, tropical-flavored peppers. Serranos regrow fast and become bushier and more productive in their second year. After a hard prune, they send out loads of new branches for a heavier fruit set. Overwintering transforms them into manageable, high-yield plants. Both hot and sweet banana peppers are vigorous and bounce back quickly after winter. They start producing early and keep going all summer long. For a steady supply of peppers, overwintering banana peppers is a smart move. The Aji Lemon Drop is a citrusy, hot Peruvian pepper that's surprisingly cold-tolerant. It handles typical garage or basement temps and rebounds with massive yields in year 2. Overwintered plants get huge and produce loads of bright yellow peppers. If you want to impress with flavor and quantity, this is your pepper. Overwintering peppers is a game changer. By carrying your pepper plants through winter, you'll get bigger, earlier, and more productive plants next season. It's simple. Prune them back, keep them in a cool, bright spot, and water just enough to keep the soil barely moist. No fancy equipment needed. Watching your dead-looking plants burst back to life in spring is incredibly rewarding. New green shoots will appear, and you'll know your efforts paid off. Try it this fall. Pick a favorite variety and see the results for yourself. Let me know in the comments which pepper you'll be saving this winter. Thanks for watching and keep on growing.